Alright guys, this video is going to be gross and also funny if you like that sort of thing. I was driving by this pond and I noticed a lot of algae sitting on a pretty thick layer of algae. And in the pond were some cows up to their necks in this gross algae pond. And then I noticed a bull out of the pond, obviously clearly had just come out of the pond because there was algae all over the bull. What happens next is the gross part. Yeah. You want to see that again? So, yeah, in case you needed one more reason to not be a farm animal, I think that did it for me. Number one, I don't want to be spending my time splashing around and sloshing around up to my neck in algae filled ponds. Okay, that's the first thing. And then beyond that, I definitely don't want to have to clean it off of myself when I get out by licking it off of my body. So, look, I hope you're not eating lunch or dinner while you watch this. I probably should have put a big disclaimer at the front end, but hey, it is what it is, right? And so be thankful that you're not in that situation today. But anyway, that's life on the farm, and that's some good stuff, I guess. That's some gross stuff, maybe? No, I got it. That's some good stuff. The bull agrees.